Hello, friends. Wanted to show you some carrots, some real carrots. This is how real food looks sometimes. Um, I got these out of my garden mentor's garden, and you can see some things that happens while you're with carrots when you're planting them. Um, see this little offshoot, then they burst it open in the ground. I'm going to still see if I can get some salvageable food off of these. And this one busted in the ground. So you have to, kind of study these things and know what's going on with them. And it's probably they were in the ground too long. Maybe they were not meant to get this big. So just kind of keep an eye on that. And this is how real food looks. I thought that was something interesting to show you today. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell for any other videos that I come up with in the near future. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.